Oh shit. Yeah, Sandy just dropped her speaker in the ward.
She's out here, you see?
Oh wait, I'm facing it the wrong way.
Okay.
Well, I thought I was facing it that way.
Yeah.
I was trying to find Sandy.
So today is Friday. Today's the day that I dropped my speaker into my fucking alcohol.
How do you feel about that? Okay, we're just getting the bucket's here too.
I wish it would have been me that was able to fit into that cup of alcohol, so I could be like,
the alcohol.
I want to blow a big cloud for the camera.
So let's just hope and pray that my speaker, this one,
Don't turn it on. Don't turn it on for a whole day.
Put it in rice.
Get off my hands.
Am I okay right here?
Are you blocking the sidewalk?
I gotta lick it off my hands.
Yes.
Don't know.
Right there, G. Gina.
Hey, did
I'm
I?
not trying to get blocked in.
No, I know, Mom. I'm saying go like that.
Somebody, hello.
Yes.
They really dropped the G.
She said like this.
Yeesh.
Oh, the vitamin G. Wow.
Then he said
You act like nobody knows we're triggers.
Hey, come on. Hey, watch your mouth here. There's virgin ears listening.
Where?
Where?
In here.
No.
In here.
Oh, thank God I didn't blow
In
that
this
cloud. I
thing,
was gonna
in
blow.
this thing right here, right there,
So if
right
we say
there, right
dick,
there.
we can't say that either.
Okay, I gotta get inside. But
I'm gonna come inside so you can reset my
I know. Yeah.
You want us to wait and
No,
go
no,
after
no,
you?
no, no, no. Let's come
So
in.
they don't know that you're with us, huh? Okay.
No, shut the hell up, Sandy.
Who are you hiding us from?
Are you gonna play or no? You're gonna play on
It's
the
like in here.
Yeah, you guys come on, because I'm gonna finish smoking that with you guys. Cause I put all of it in there.
So we're getting down, right?
Yeah.
I don't know who gives a fuck.
What are you talking about?
I'm not tripping.
Look at that crack.
You are, I
What's that?